Good afternoon, boys and girls. The reason why I'm sending you this video so late in the afternoon is because I met quite a few of you this morning at school, but we had a few problems. First of all, the light in the classroom wasn't so great because after all that grey cloud and the rain, suddenly the sun came out and it was shining on the board that you couldn't see what I was writing on there. So I had to use the chalkboard. And then, because of all of that, our time ran out. So we didn't finish our activity. And I'm also not sure if the video that I recorded with all of you on it is going to come out very clearly because of the light, and also some of you couldn't connect because of the internet, and then some of you weren't able to turn off your microphones, so that may cause a problem with the recording. So I'm going to quickly go through, not all that we did on the video, on the live teaching today, but I'm going to go through what you need to do in your book. So the main part was we spoke about patterns. And if we have a look at this towel, the background is navy blue, and then all the fish look similar. Even though some are swimming that way and some are swimming this way, it doesn't matter. They all have the same pattern on them. So we don't have some stripes going this way. They've all got this diamond pattern on them. So this is a pattern that you could follow. So there's yellow ones, there's orange ones. Down here there are light greenish ones. So this is a fish pattern tile, and you know why I'm using that is because we were doing maths. So let's just have a look at some of the things I showed you in class quickly. One of them was one of George's feathers, and we had a look at the pattern, and that is on each one of his feathers. So when he opens his feathers to show them off as a proud peacock and they come out beautifully, they all look like that. And I said it looks like an eye. If you hold it like that, it looks like somebody's eye. But George wouldn't have such beautiful feathers if some were red and some were purple and some were green. They all have the same markings on them. So when he opens them, they really are quite magnificent. So that was George's feather. Let's put that over there. Then we had a look at this mask. This mask has got a lot of colors, so there's not really a pattern. We can't say that, it's only yellow or it's green, or there are patterns all over the place, but all of the patterns are done with dots. So if we suddenly had dot, 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 triangle, dot, 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 rectangle, and some rectangles here and some circles there and some ovals there, then it would look a mess. But at the moment, it's just a real dotty mask, but the dots are the pattern. Then we spoke about socks, and I said, thank goodness they're not smelly socks. I had a striped sock. Put that there. So I had a striped sock, and I have a dotty slipper. But now, I'm just going to put it on my hand. If I wear this dotty slipper with stripes, it doesn't look very nice. It's too much color and it almost hurts your eyes because it's got dots and stripes and different colors. Okay, so you wouldn't have one dotty sock and one striped sock because then it would look a little bit of a mess. So let's put that over there. And then we looked at a tie or a shirt, and this tie, a dad or a grandpa would go, if they're going to a meeting or they're going to work or somewhere important, and this tie's pattern is this diamond, and then it's got this almost like a shield, and then a circle in the middle, and then the circle's got like a reddish color, and then it's got that star shape in the middle and a diamond right in the middle. And each one of these pictures are exactly the same all over the tie. So when you're wearing it with a shirt, it looks really smart, and it would look a mess if suddenly over here you had a big black circle and over here you had a big yellow triangle. People would say, I wonder if you messed some mustard over there and maybe some plum jam over there, because it wouldn't look nice at all. Your shirts will all have the same pattern. Your duvets in your bedroom, if you've got a Barbie duvet, you would have Barbie all over it. You wouldn't suddenly have Hulk in the middle of Barbie and big green Hulk in the middle. That wouldn't look very nice at all. So patterns are the same thing over and over again, so that it makes a pattern and it looks nice. When you look at it, it doesn't look like, something's wrong. So that's what we spoke about today. So let's just quickly look at some patterns. Okay. Right, so these are shape patterns. We spoke about shapes. Diamond, circle, diamond, circle. So this is a good pattern. You could carry on going diamond, circle, diamond, circle, diamond, circle. But another thing you need to remember is it's not only the shapes that are the pattern, it's the colors too. Blue diamond, yellow circle, blue diamond, yellow circle. Right, let's have a look at this pattern. Okay, so this goes blue diamond, red circle, yellow square, green square. Now maybe the pattern is that, and then you will do this pattern over and over and over again. But if we only look at these four, like we looked at this one is a pattern because it's that over again. This one's not a pattern because it's got shapes. None of the colors are the same. And actually only those two shapes are the same, but it doesn't go diamond, circle, square, then diamond, circle, square. It goes diamond, circle, square, square. So this one's a bit of a, not a good pattern. Remember, it's the same thing over and over again. This one, let's see if this one's a good pattern. Triangle, circle, circle, triangle. Okay, so this one, there are two circles in the middle, but a better pattern for this would be triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. But maybe this is the whole pattern. So you would do this over and over again. So you would go yellow triangle, two red circles, yellow triangle, two red circles, yellow triangle, two red circles, yellow triangle. Or you would have to do that whole pattern and then that whole pattern. So it becomes a little bit complicated. So the best pattern that we have looked at is this one. And then if you look at this one, it's also got diamonds and circles, but it also becomes complicated because it's not repeated. So this one goes diamond, circle. This one goes circle, diamond. So it's not the same. This one goes diamond, circle, diamond, circle. So we'll choose the best one. This is the best one because it goes the same colors, the same shapes, over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. So diamond, blue diamond, yellow circle, blue diamond, yellow circle, blue diamond, yellow circle, blue diamond, yellow circle. And that's that. So now we went into your book and we went onto the page that you had folded. You had folded it in half and in half again, and we are working on this page. So you had it in front of you, and this is what I drew. Let me cover these. So I drew up to here and the next one on the board. So my pattern was this. I drew those two on the board. It's a circle. I made it red. You can use any colors you like. I made a red circle, a green upside down triangle. Now you can't suddenly put the triangle up because then it's not a pattern. Remember, the pattern must be the same over and over and over again. So then 2 finger spaces, red circle. Mine look a bit like ovals. They should be circles. That's a nice circle. Mine look like ovals. Red circle, upside down triangle. 2 finger spaces, red circle, upside down triangle. Right, then you finished the first pattern. Then the next pattern you needed to do was this one. Blue rectangle and the rectangle sideways. White rectangle and it's standing up. Small green circle. Then 2 finger spaces, same. Sideways blue rectangle, standing up, bigger rectangle and green circle. And then 2 finger spaces, and I think you'll only fit one more in there. So there's 2 rows of patterns. Remember, the same thing over and over and over again. And this is the wrong pattern. I'm going to use this good one. Okay, so now this is what we didn't get to, and I'd like you to do this. So now the next one is, remember you can use your own colors, but I'd like you to use these shapes. So a purple heart, a big heart, filling that line. Then a small little circle and a small little triangle, and I made mine orange and yellow. So now here I'll do 2 finger spaces, purple heart, small orange triangle, small yellow small orange circle, small yellow triangle, and I'll carry on. And then this last one, I want you to use any shapes you like. You can use 2 shapes or 3 shapes. Like here I've used 3 shapes, here I've used 3 shapes. Put them quite close together. You can do them upside down or any way you like. Color them in, and then 2 finger spaces, your pattern again and again and again to make sure that you've done the pattern correctly, like this good one. Those 2 over and over again. Those 2 over and over and over again. These 3 over and over and over again. These 3 over and over and over again. Your one, colored in, same colors, same shapes, over and over and over and over again. And so that was today's lesson again, and I hope next week, those of you who are coming back to school, I want to see this beautiful page. And Mrs. Gething wasn't there, so she never saw the lesson, and she's going to be so excited to see your beautiful work in your book. Okay, So you can finish that now. If you weren't able to see it properly online on that video, this video is just specially for you.